Hello guys, in this video guys I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file to Word. So I'm going to show you quickly guys. So we will first step we need to do guys, just go to google.com, then write on Google convert PDF to Word like this, then search and then go to the first page. You will see it's called ilovepdf.com. Then click to select the PDF file. So this is my PDF file. Then click to convert to Word, and quickly the file was converted to an editable Word document. So just click to download Word, and here we go. This is my Word is ready to open, and this is my PDF converted to Word. Thank you guys. I will be happy guys if you subscribe on my channel and like my video and put a comment if the strategy work or the tutorial work. Sorry. So guys, see you guys in another video.